This modern patio features a white sectional under a sleek pergola. A black fire pit and ground lights create a serene vibe, complemented by clean lines and tall trees in the back. Experience a sleek outdoor lounge with black cushions and a warm fire pit. Glass doors reveal a modern dining area, while spherical plants flank the stylish, dark-walled exterior. This peaceful patio uses a white pergola and stone tiles to frame a cozy seating area. LED lighting and a dark wood fire table create a perfect ambience amidst the tall greenery. A dark gray pergola with circular lights anchors this raised lounge. With white sofas, artificial turf, and symmetrical trees, the space highlights a clean and modern aesthetic. This inviting space offers a white sectional and central fire pit on stone tiles. Topiary spheres and ambient spotlights create a cozy glow near the large glass sliding doors. Enjoy a serene night on this wooden deck featuring white couches and a fire pit. String lights cast a warm glow over the potted plants, blending nature with modern furniture. Modern design shines through this dark slatted pergola and white stone patio. Palm trees and stepping stones lead to a stylish sofa set, perfect for a contemporary lifestyle. A large white sectional with black cushions sits under a wooden pergola. This sleek space features topiary plants and a fire pit, seamlessly connecting to the indoor dining room. This minimalist lounge features a dark wood pergola and gray seating with orange accents. Stepping stones cross the lawn, leading to a space lit by integrated wall fixtures. String lights illuminate this sophisticated patio at twilight. Comfortable white seating surrounds a central fire pit on wooden steps, all set against a lush, green landscape. Sunlight filters through a white pergola onto cushioned sofas and a fire pit. Private and serene, this daytime retreat is framed by neatly trimmed hedges and lush green trees. This tranquil morning, retreat features white square tiles and a matching pergola. Neat shrubs border the fire pit and seating area, creating an inviting and serene atmosphere. A black rectangular fire pit anchors this chic patio with its sectional sofa and dark pergola. Topiary plants and stone slabs create a contemporary outdoor living environment. Dark wicker furniture and a glowing fire pit define this cozy dusk scene. String lights and a wooden pergola enhance the ambience, making this the perfect spot for relaxation. This night scene features a long cushioned couch and a warm fire pit. Wooden slat walls and string lights create a tranquil, serene escape perfect for a quiet night outdoors.